Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the best Young Living dupes from Revive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tori. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I've been using essential oils for years. I started out with Young Living, and I fell in love quickly with essential oils and the power of them and how they work in so many different ways. But I just didn't love Young Living or their prices. And so I started looking outwards and finding different brands that we love. And Revive has quickly become one of our absolute favorites because they have so many different products. They have dupes from Young Living, like I'm going to share today. And they just have them for almost half the price in some of them. So it was a no-brainer for us to start using them and to switch. And I know a lot of people do. Really, it just wasn't in our budget for long-term to keep using Young Living. It's no secret that Young Living has amazing essential oil blends. And so I really appreciate this from Revive. So if you just go to revive-eo.com, they're having a sale right now. They usually have sales, which is great. I share them on my Instagram too. So make sure you look for those. But they baseline, their like original prices on things are already great. So you don't need to wait for a sale. Honestly, they just have the best prices. So right up here, compare to MLMs, has the comparison list. So you'll see all of your favorite Young Living blends on this side. Then if you scroll down, you'll see doTERRA's too, because they compare to theirs as well. But today's video, we're doing Young Living. So look for your favorite blends here. And then this is a link to go to their listing for their comparison. So I'm going to be sharing, I think there's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7. So these are the 7 that I recommend you start with when you're switching over, or if you just haven't even used Young Living, but you've heard about their amazing blends and you want to try them for like the price. So the first one I'll talk about is their Thieves blend or their Thieves dupe. So right down here, it is Thieves, and then their version is Immunity Boost. So this is their listing for Immunity Boost. It is 10 ml bottle. It's normally $14. It's on sale for $11.90. But if you want a huge bottle, a 30 ml bottle, it's only $28, which I feel like is close to the Young Living price for a smaller bottle at that size. But anyways, great prices. It will show what is in the blend. So right here, it's a blend of clove, lemon, cinnamon, bark, eucalyptus, and rosemary, which is very comparable to Young Living Thieves. So you can go and compare. I'll put it here on the screen as well. I'll put Young Living's on one of these sides so that you can just see maybe just side by side their listing. But Thieves Immunity Boost is a must-have. We use it a lot in the cold and flu season, but also if we've had people over or if we just want to clear the germs from the air, we'll diffuse it. You can also make a roller. Next one is Sleep and Peace and Calming. Knocks us out like lights. It is the best smelling calming sleep blend that I know of. So we're going to click on Zen. That's their dupe. So this is the bottle. Most of their bottles are 10 ml. So for that size, it is normally $28, but on sale right now for $23. And then it is the blend of tangerine, orange, ylang-ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. I'm probably just partial to this because I love blue tansy. It's my favorite essential oil, but this is the best sleepy time blend ever. So you can sleep, or you can shop that one there. The next one is a mood boost or anxiety, sadness, that type of essential oil. And my personal 2 favorites for that are Joy and Courage, which are the dupes for Joy. They have the same name, Joy and Joy, which is right here. And then Valor. Where is Valor? Right here. So there's the 2. I'll just go to one of them so you can just see. But this is Courage. So this is the Valor dupe. Again, it has blue tansy, but it's a blend of coconut oil, black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. It just has that like instant uplifting, makes you feel good. You can do this in combination with prayer too. I know like oils that boost mood or help you with specific things like this are really great and partnered or a combination with prayer. I'll just go to the other one too, just so you can see it. But Joy and Joy. So Joy is a very floral and strongly floral blend. So if you're not a floral person, you might not like this one, but it's bergamot, lemon, tangerine, ylang-ylang, coriander, palmarosa, geranium. That's the super strong. Jasmine also, and then chamomile and rose. So this one is $16. And I'll put the comparisons here so you can see it side by side. But the price and blend of Joy from Young Living. Then Let's see. The next category is awakening. So this one can be either for going to work or working out. And the blend for this that we love is Awaken, which is called Epiphany from Revive. So this is a huge blend. I'm not going to read all of those, but they're all here. And this one's $20 normally. And it is their version of Young Living's 5 ml Awaken essential oil blend. So same blend, a lot cheaper, still works. And with this type of oil, the Awaken or the Mood Boost type of oil, so Joy, Courage, and Epiphany inhaler. So I don't have one on my desk, but an essential oil inhaler. I'll try to put one here. They're super easy to make. I have a whole video on how to make one, but that is very effective for mood boosting or awakening type of oils and using oils in that way. Musculoskeletal's next, and this is something that I use oils for regularly as well, along with CBD. But theirs is, so their comparison to the Deep Relief Roll-On is the Works Roll-On. So it's a pre-made roller, which is super easy. And it is the blend of peppermint, balsam, fir, lemon, clove, copaiba, coconut. Is that coconut essential oil? I don't know what coconut that is. Anyways, wintergreen, helichrysum, vetiver, and rosehip. And then it's already diluted. Price is $14 for their 10 ml roller. So also, and using oils for musculoskeletal, muscle, joint pain, things like that, best way to use them are topical. So that's why these are rollers and pre-made like that. So the last two are tummy and hormone. So I'm just going to share quickly the last two. So Progestins Plus, their dupe is Harmonious Healing. This oil changed my cycle in a huge way. So when I don't use this, my PMS symptoms are magnified. I have really bad cramps and my period is heavier and lasts longer. Might be TMI, but that's how this has changed my life, honestly, in a huge way. So copaiba, frankincense, cedarwood, bergamot, peppermint, clove, essential oils with oil, tocopherol. What's this? Tocopherol. And then the big ingredient is USP grade progesterone from wild yam extract. And that is what the Young Living Progestins Plus is as well. It's the exact thing. Exact same thing. It works the exact same way. I used Progestins Plus for a couple of years before I switched. And so I do that they work exactly the same. And this one, is $19. So that's a crazy great price. I'll put it here, but the comparison is crazy and it works the exact same. Lastly is tummy. We use tummy dries, but also the dye dries works the same. Tummy dries just smells a little better, but I just wanted to share because they have this dupe. So Digest is what it is called. It's $16 for 10 ml. And this soothes all digestive issues. We make our own tummy rollers too, but essential oils for digestive problems work 100% of the time for us. They work amazing. And what is this a blend of? So this is tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, anise, and patchouli. So I will say the big players in this blend are ginger, peppermint, fennel, and anise. Those are the ones that I put in my other blend. And I also use spearmint. So if you want to add spearmint to this or make your own roller, do whatever. Essential oils for this purpose are amazing. But this is the list. If you see Christmas Spirit, Holiday Heaven, same exact thing. We love Christmas Spirit in the holiday season. Sensation, we also use that one. Gentle Baby, not as much anymore because we use the Peace and Calming for that purpose. Stress Away, I have that one. Stress Easy, exact same. It smells amazing, works great. Neutron, also we have Creed. I will say that one doesn't smell, it smells a little bit sweeter. The aroma is a little bit off, but it also just works the same. It's the same oils. It's just maybe the percentage of oils is a little bit off on that one, but that's really maybe the only one that I've noticed that has been different. They also have Thieves Cleaner. I'll just share this quickly. It wasn't on my list, but this works exactly the same as Thieves Cleaner, and it is a fraction of the price. Way more affordable. Also, free shipping on Revive. With Young Living, you have to be this or that. You have to have it on auto ship if you want this. It's like too confusing for me and just going through all of these hoops when you can just go on Revive, buy this free shipping, and it's shipped to your door super fast. So anyways, that is it. I think that's all. Let me go back to this. If you haven't used Revive, you should check them out. If you're hesitant at all, let me know what questions you have. I've used almost all of their products and oils. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what video you want me to film next. I hope you have a great day. Bye.